Hello partners, Mink is back with another video showing the lot and style level status details for a thorough understanding on the DIY cataloging status. After submitting the lot in the partner portal, checking its status correctly helps you to be on track with your products. So let's begin and understand how we can do it. It's really simple. Log in to partner portal, go to cataloging management tab on the left side, select cataloging. A page will appear with all your submitted lots. Once styles are uploaded on the DIY partner portal, the system will generate a code which we call a lot number, which has 6-digit numeric code. Status can be seen against each lot to keep track of all submitted styles for cataloging, and the flow of status while lot is in process post-uploading is: as soon as attribute sheet, which is an Excel sheet, is uploaded, a partner draft lot will be created by the system. In this lot, you need to upload the images and finally submit the lot for cataloging. If you do not want to submit the styles for cataloging, you can reject the draft lot from your end and the lot status will be changed to partner rejected. In this stage, as soon as lot is finally submitted with images, lot status will be in the uploaded status for few hours. Next is image validate stage. At this stage, system will validate the provided images in specific parameters. In this stage, styles will be curated based on tech integration. Now, the lot will be moved to in-curation or system curation. At system curation, few brands are mapped for automatic curation. For those, status will be system curation and the system will curate the submitted styles. In curation, this is the stage where the category team will validate the styles and approve them for cataloging. If not approved in 2 days, system lot will be moved to next stage automatically. Manual QC status. Now when the lot is finally moved to manual QC, at this stage, catalog team starts working on the submitted styles. Re-manual QC status will be seen for all resubmitted styles which were rejected previously. Now, when first level QC starts from the catalog's end, you will be able to see catalog in progress or SKU creation, partially reject or SKU creation reject or lot rejected status for a particular lot. If there is no issue, styles will be approved and moved to next stage. If there is any issue, few style might get rejected as well. At catalog in progress stage, approved styles are moved for production. SKU creation partially reject or SKU creation reject. This status will be reflecting if we are unable to create Myntra style IDs for approved styles due to some system validations. Team will drop an email for the same informing the issues along with further instructions. Status will be seen if all submitted styles are rejected. Cataloging complete status. If you see this status, that means all the approved styles are active from the catalog team's end. If the inventory is updated for all the active styles, the final status will reflect as live. Now let us understand how to check the status of each style submitted in a lot. Click on View Details seen against each lot. After that, a new page will open up. In this screen, you will be able to see feedback for rejected styles. First and second level QC for all styles and created Myntra style IDs for approved styles. Below are the explanation of each style status. Catalog team dependent status. Category team dependent status. Warehouse team dependent status. Please note that for each lot status. Hey, here is an additional info. Our style dashboard is there for better visibility of all submitted styles. Under cataloging team, instead of lot view, select style view to see detailed status for each style along with go live ETA. Hope this video has helped you with a clear understanding of the lot and style level statuses. If you need any cataloging related query, please raise ticket in partner portal by following this navigation. Log into partner portal, go to the left side. In the last, there will be an option to raise ticket. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.